Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to remove a linked card from your Affirm account quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Affirm app or website. Log into your Affirm account through the mobile app or visit affirm.com and sign in. Step 2. Go to your payment methods from your dashboard. Look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Wallet. This is where your linked cards are stored. Step 3. Select the card to remove. Find the card you want to unlink. Tap or click on it to open its details. Step 4. Choose Remove or Delete. You should see an option to remove or delete the card. Tap or click it. Step 5. Confirm your choice. Affirm will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the card. Confirm the action. Note: if this card is your only payment method, you might need to add a new card before removing the old one to avoid payment issues. Step 6. Verify removal. Once removed, the card will no longer appear in your payment methods. You can always add a new card anytime. And that's how you remove a linked card on Affirm. Fast and simple. Thanks for watching.